Hey you guys, welcome to the channel. This is Papa Illuminati, and we've been away for a little bit here on vacation. We've had a good time, me and the Illuminati kid. But we're back now, and so I'm gonna give you a little looky see here. It's a little video we took of some of the stuff we were doing while we were away on vacation over the spring break for family week. Check this out. This is Bottle Rocket.
Hey you guys, welcome to RPG. What are we doing today?
Illuminati.
So we have a model rocket. We've got an igniter in there. We've got it wired up, hooked up to the switch, and hooked up to the battery. And we have our launch commander. Anytime you're ready, launch commander, you can proceed with the countdown.
Listen close, you can hear it. You can see the chute opens right here. It's actually streamers.
It's coming down.
Then you can see it trailing down, and it'll trail down and actually move over towards the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see flashes of it there, coming down, coming down, coming down. You can see her land right over there.
Well, it went over that way. I expected it to go the opposite way. But let's jump in the recovery vehicle and go find it.
So, you'd think it would be easy enough to find from that, but, however, we ended up driving around for a fair little bit in the recovery vehicle. We went up the field, down the field, and all over the place. And we kept both our eyes peeled. And even though you can see where it falls there, we couldn't see that at the time. It's only now that I've got it on my computer monitor at very high intensity. Even on a HD TV, I couldn't see it. I can see it now that I'm recording this on my very, very, very good PC monitor. I can see where it fell, but at the time I couldn't see it. I did catch it on film though. So let's see what happened after we drove around for about half an hour looking for it, crisscrossing the field.
Okay, everybody, we're looking. We've been driving around with the off-roader for a while here. We're about a mile and a half away from...
You can see some of the tracks there where we crisscrossed.
We got the man himself up there.
Yeah.
On top of little buddy. That's what we call our off-roader. Broke a shock this summer. We also smashed a wheel in a rim. But I gotta fix the shock yet. But we've been crisscrossing this field way over there. Like a mile and a half over there. So
My God, you know, she should be out there.
we've been crisscrossing this field, but we just can't find it. We've been going at it for about 20 minutes. We're not quite ready to give up yet. But man, oh man. The problem that we have is we're firing a 3D printed rocket that weighs nothing off into the sky with the largest rocket engines we can get our hands on. And, well, as you saw, it goes fast, it goes far, and you lose track of it pretty quickly. This will be the second rocket we've lost if we lose this one. Whatever, we'll just make another one. Sure is a lot of fun watching them go up. This one didn't go as straight up as the other one. The other one went really straight up. This one kind of went off over our heads and backwards. And actually into the wind. Maybe it's because of the wind. is very aerodynamic, so that might be why it gets in the wind. This one I use streamers instead of a parachute.
A lot of wind noise on the camera there.
Rainbow-colored streamers.
What should be done about that?
No luck yet. Oh well, we'll keep looking. If we find it, we'll tack her onto this video.
Well, it looks like my design was pretty good, but the only real problem we have is we're 3D printing a rocket, and because we're not using traditional cardboards and all these sorts of things, you know, it's like a Kinder Surprise shell for thickness and just light as can be. And then we're strapping a big D series, the largest we can get around these parts, onto it. It's like a 12-4 or something like that, or 10-4. Can't remember offhand. But you know, it certainly goes up fast, but it covers a lot of ground. Model rockets are quite a lot of fun. You can get kits to make them, but my early ones many years ago, you know, they were made out of cardboard and everything. And I mean, there's other ones that were bought as a kit and put together. But, you know, nowadays with 3D printers, you can really make some good stuff with just a roll of plastic. You know, there's designs out there. If you go to Thingiverse, you can really download some cool stuff. So we try to do all kinds of different things to enjoy ourselves. We thought we'd share this with you guys. So from Papa Illuminati and the Illuminati Kid, thanks for watching. If you want to talk to us, you're going to have to go, because this is kid-friendly content. They don't allow comments, so you got to go to the channel, rpgilluminati.com, and you'll have to contact us through the website. But other than that, you know, like, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Our motto is 8-year-old fun for everyone. Have a good day, you guys. We love y'all.